Whoa guys, look at this absolute monster. Over 71 kg of huge tuna. Welcome back to Jay's Journeys guys. Today we are dropping the second part of our Toyosu Market saga. We had arrived just on the time to enjoy this live cutting performance, where the chef will cut up this huge monster right in front of us. I only had a chance back in the days to have watched partial of the tuna cutting session in China, but this is totally a different skill, so keep watching. Look at the blade, it goes straight for the fin and it drops it right into the tray. You can imagine how big is this tuna if it takes up to 3 person to carry it out. Then he's using a huge saw to try to cut off the head. It's definitely tough as this entire head is huge, it's heavy and it's tough. If you have watched part 1 of the video, you will know right that this tuna is being auctioned in this early morning 5 AM, so it's really fresh. Next up is the tail, and this isn't just any cut because the tail is actually the freshness meter. Look at how he's showing it. This tail will use to indicate the freshness and the fatness of the tuna. Next up is the most prized body part of the tuna, the entire head. And in Japanese cuisine, tuna head is considered top tier delicacy. And you can look at the size of this thing when the chef is holding it right beside his head. It is bigger than his own. All the trays are being laid right in front of us where all the cuts of the tuna is being placed. Soon, this entire table will be filled with different tuna meat. I'm trying out the skins of this tuna head and I can tell you it's really tough. Next up, we are going to go to cut the main body. Look at all the different knives that he's using, shaving all different parts of it. I think there's at least 4 or 5 different types of knife that he's constantly switching around to cut off different parts of the tuna. It's definitely a tough job because every knife is designed for every different parts. It definitely took quite a while to cut through the skin of the body, and he's showing us right now all the scales right there on the knife that has been cut off. Wow, look at that, the way that he's carrying the tuna. This whole piece, whole chunk of meat is so beautifully skinned and colored. But look at the precision of his cut. He's slicing it into 3 sizable pieces and he doesn't even need a measuring tape. This is all about experience. And it is really crazy, to be honest. I bet he have done all this over 1,000 times already that he doesn't even need any measuring stuff. And the fun part is he's putting it onto the part like a jigsaw puzzle. It's so fun. The cuts continue as he's slicing through the other body parts. This whole tuna is huge and it definitely takes quite a while to cut everything off. In order to perfectly break down the entire tuna, it takes at least 2 to 10 years of practice and learning. And with such amazing speeds of this chef, it's obvious that his experience is probably over 10 years. There's no waste movement, there's no hesitation. Every cut is done with precision. Look at all this texture of the meat and the color, the marbling, everything is like a delicacy. I can't wait to sink my teeth into this meat. I don't even need them to cut it out for me, I just want to bite inside. It looks so good. Now we are entering the premium area for all these tunas. Look at how the chef is cutting here and showing us. This is the premium cut. They even have a plate dedicated just for all these top tier cuts. And all this meat are gonna cost a fortune in Tokyo restaurants. The chef is actually shrimping off the different parts of the meat that are not needed right now. Normally, all these meat that are being discarded are tougher and they don't taste that great, but they'll normally be processed and turned into pet food. So don't worry, nothing much is being wasted.
お腹からは大トロ、中トロ、赤身と3種類取れます。なのでお腹の方が人気があって価値が高いんですね。値段ですか？70キロだからどうですかね。100いくいかないくらいですかね。これ顎ね、さっき言った。
Next session is interesting. It's time to strip the skeleton. The chef actually grabbed a huge chopping knife and he's chopping on the skeleton right now as we are speaking. You can tell how tough is this part because it is the only time that he's using a big chopping knife to chop this part off. Look at how much effort he's using. How big is this entire skeleton? If you realize there's lots of meat in between it, but don't worry, nothing will be missed, nothing will be waste. Another chef will come in and do the processing, which is here. He is using a spoon to scrub off every bit of the meat in between the bones. In fact, the area of the scrub of meat here is very tender and delicious. The chef right now walks back to the scalp. The top of the head actually holds one of the most tender hidden muscle of the entire fish. So this is highly priced meat that is being used as premium cut. Next part he's cutting is something, I would say spooky. He's cutting off the tuna eyeball. And don't be scared because in Japan, the tuna eyeball is a real delicacy. Don't be frightened by the outlook. I can assure you, the taste it had is marvelous. Check out this spooky eyeball. Will you eat it? Do you dare to have it? Drop a comment right now. Yes or no? I need to know. This is another premium part of the head, and look at the color. The texture is so pretty. I would say most of the premium cut of the tuna meat actually comes from the head. That's why the tuna head itself costs a heavy fortune. Let's keep going. We are finishing off the entire body, and the darker meat here is actually called duck muscle. It's actually edible, but it's stronger in taste and got a metallic taste to it. It's also much tougher, so most of the place actually trim it off.
もう割れましたね。綺麗ですね。いい魚です今日も。ね、これ2番目。だ大トロはお腹の1個目と2個目にしかないんですね。だから大変ね。
We are close to the finishing of this entire trimming and cutting tuna sessions. It had been more than over half an hour just watching this pure craftsmanship, cutting everything, and my mind is definitely blown because I've never seen anything like this. Not to mention it's a live session happening right in front of my eyes. But the fact, right, is that the more I watch it, the more hungry actually I got. I can't wait to sink my teeth into all this meat here. If you actually want to see us eating everything here, or the fatty tuna, or the premium cuts, be sure to check out part 1 right now.
はい、最後、こっちお腹の方も割って、解体ショー終了となってしまいます。終わります。はい、最後ですよ。
And yes, this is the final cut of the tuna and it's officially done. Look at all this spread. From a single 71 kg tuna to all this is absolutely incredible, and great job to the chef. He had given us an artistic performance that I will definitely remember for life. Be sure to subscribe and show your support.